Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We have some rainy day today, beautiful sky. Maybe I should do some time-lapse recording, but this is not clickbait. I did bought the Lectric XP light for $199 on Amazon, and I posted like a few days ago. I think I was the first one who posted for $700, and the price dramatically was dropping. It sounds like it's a scam, but I decided to go for it and see if it's really a deal or just a scam. So you'll find out, and I will find out in probably by November 22nd if it's a scam or if it's a real deal. Don't forget, hit subscribe below the bottom, like bell, hit it as well, and this way you'll not miss the video. I know the Lectric XP light has been very popular, and it's kind of between mini bike and the larger bike, so it's somewhere between. I always wanted to check it out, but Lectric never sent me one, not sure why, but I decided to buy one for $200. It's a good deal, right? So let's find out, and I will do the unboxing once I receive it on November 22nd or after, and I'll show you what I got it, and I'll tell you if it's worth $200 or if it was all scam. So again, don't forget, hit subscribe, like this video, so we'll talk about the e-bike and see if they really cost $200, because actually they sold in bulk about that much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.